Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and you can also follow us on Instagram. So today we've come to a park where you can see the place is very scary and nobody is there over here. So we have a small puja at our home today in the evening, and for the puja we will need banyan leaves, and we will get the banyan leaves only in this place. So people never come over here because this place is very scary. So as we need banyan leaves for the puja, we've come over here. Just look at this place, how scary it looks. Nobody comes into this place during the night time. They close the gate so that nobody comes in. And once we get the banyan leaves, we will go out because this place is too scary. So we got our banyan leaves. So now let's go home and do our preparations for the puja. So now the time is 5 o'clock in the evening and we just started making our preparations for the puja. So before that, let me show you our beautiful Sai Baba. So every evening at 6 o'clock we turn on the lights. So Leo is confused at what is happening at home because the table stand which we've put the photo frame of the god, she sleeps below that, so she's totally confused. And today just look at the beautiful climate. It is so cloudy and it is drizzling over here. So the puja just started. So this is how the Trinad Mela Swami Puja is done. So today we are doing Trinad Mela Swami Puja. This is also known as Trinad Mela Swami Vratam. So as you can see, we've placed the banyan leaves in the front. So this is the prasadam for the puja. So this is the mandatory prasadam for the puja, poha and jaggery. And you have to keep water and banyan leaves. So for the puja, we've finished doing all the preparations and decorations. So now it's time to read the story. So there will be a Trinadi Mela Swami Vratam story which we have to read. So mom does this puja every year. So only on Kartik Masam she does this puja. So Telugu people might know what is Trinadi Swami Vratam. So now it's time to read our story. So mom reads the story every year and we listen to the story. So the puja is completed. So now it's time to give the aarti. So here ends the vlog. I hope you all love this vlog. Thank you so much for watching it. We'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.